Azure Synapse GitHub integration is a powerful tool that enables data professionals to collaborate and manage their data pipelines more effectively. This integration allows users to manage their Azure Synapse Analytics codebase in a version control system, track changes, and collaborate with others in real time. To get started with Azure Synapse GitHub integration, you need to link your Azure Synapse workspace to your GitHub repository. This can be done by navigating to the Azure Synapse workspace and clicking on the GitHub icon in the left navigation menu. You will then be prompted to authenticate with your GitHub credentials and authorize Azure Synapse to access your GitHub repository. Once the integration is set up, you can start managing your Azure Synapse codebase in GitHub. This includes creating and managing notebooks, scripts, and other data pipeline components. You can also use GitHub to track changes to your codebase, including who made changes and when. This provides a complete audit trail of all changes made to your data pipeline. One of the key benefits of Azure Synapse GitHub integration is collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same data pipeline components simultaneously, and GitHub will automatically merge changes and resolve conflicts. This enables data teams to work more efficiently and effectively, and reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Another benefit of Azure Synapse GitHub integration is version control. GitHub provides a complete version history of all changes made to your codebase, allowing you to easily revert back to a previous version if something goes wrong. This provides a high level of confidence and reliability, and ensures that your data pipeline is always in a stable and consistent state. Best practices for using Azure Synapse GitHub integration include setting up a clear and consistent folder structure, using meaningful commit messages, and establishing a regular backup routine. It is also important to establish clear roles and permissions to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your data pipeline. In summary, Azure Synapse GitHub integration is a powerful tool that enables data professionals to collaborate and manage their data pipelines more effectively. By linking your Azure Synapse workspace to your GitHub repository, you can manage your codebase, track changes, and collaborate with others in real time. This integration provides a high level of confidence and reliability, and enables data teams to work more efficiently and effectively.